Or is it the? Are you talking about the fact that D'banj was at the wedding that he sang for
Yeah,
them?
yeah, and all those things. You know, the way people think. People
And
think, yeah, it's very, very funny. I had some stuff about yesterday. I was like, are you guys serious?
what were people saying?
That the band is not supposed to be doing that. That is supposed to be he's an OG. Is not supposed to
Ca-
stoop low to do that kind of. Just
Can
was a
you
crazy comment.
imagine?
That-
Those are crazy
That's a,
comments, and it's just
yeah.
funny that a lot of people would think that way. Like you don't even know how where they are coming from and how far they've come.
True,
and
because
and if we look at it very well, if we look at it very well, people like D'banj, Two Face, these are the people that paved the way for them to get to
yeah,
the international stage. So what are we talking
people,
about? What's I mean, what's the
I
pride in it?